Every day we hear and see different ways to make money online. In fact, a lot of people even share their success stories about how much they make online on a daily basis and some on yearly basis, and it goes into millions. But why is it that anytime we try, we fail? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 things that is holding you back from making money online. I had to make this video at this early stage of my channel because I want to use it as a foundation to prepare your mind, because I'll be releasing videos on how to make money online, videos on skills, a lot of tutorials. I don't want my videos or my tutorials to be just another video that you watch and then that's it. I want you to watch my tutorials. I want you to come to my channel and learn one new way to make money. And then when you go try it out, it works for you. So number 1 on the list is personal branding. Now, everything about making money online revolves around personal branding. If you want to start making money online, you need to invest in your personal branding because it helps you in a whole lot of ways. You can switch niches, you can decide, okay, today I'm selling this, today I'm selling that, today I'm doing this. So anything you want to do online, whether you want to start blogging or you want to start doing web designing, digital marketing, YouTubing, anything you want to do, your personal branding will aid that. Number 2 is consistency. Even if your personal branding is not top notch, you shouldn't joke, you shouldn't fall short of consistency. Consistency gives you a very big edge over every other thing. I will always advise, before you get into, when you see how to make money online, when you see ways to make money online, before you even get into it, take your time to know what is going to cost you. If you're choosing a particular way to make money online, you should be able to stay consistent. Don't start it today and then give up tomorrow. Sometimes you start it and then you don't see anything. Imagine going to school for 4 years and then you don't even get a job, or then you get a job and start working before you start making money. But some people want to learn something today and start making money today. It's not that easy to make money online, so you need to be consistent. You're not going to see the result immediately, but you're definitely going to see the result over time. Number 3 is passion. When I say passion, I don't mean being passionate about what you're doing, right? Personally, I'm not passionate about sitting in front of the camera and having to record, because I release 2 videos every day, and I'll sit in front of the camera and having to record like the whole day, the whole week, and having to edit the videos and everything. I'm not passionate about it. Like it's really draining. But I'm passionate about teaching. I'm passionate about helping people learn new skills. I'm passionate about teaching people ways to make money online. I'm passionate about seeing people succeed, hearing their success stories. I'm passionate about the results I get at the end of the day when people message me and tell me, I tried this thing and it worked out for me, and look at how much I've made and all that. So that is what I'm passionate about. Not necessarily this talking about, not necessarily filming it, but I'm passionate about everything surrounding it. So your passion will keep you going. Your passion for what you're doing. You might not really be so passionate about that particular thing, but you're passionate, just like me, passionate about the results, passionate about the process, passionate about the goal, helping people to succeed. So if you're that passionate, then you will definitely succeed in making money online. Number 4, get rich quick mentality. A lot of people, when they hear make money online, they feel like, oh, once I start now, I'll make $1 million. And this is why people get scammed. This is why people lose money. This is why people waste their time and everything. There's nothing like get rich quick scheme online. You can't make money today. You can't make money that instant. You need to learn first. You need to make your mistakes. You need to give yourself room for mistakes. Anybody that is telling you that you're going to make $1 million today is definitely lying to you. Please rule out any idea of get rich quick in your head. It doesn't work that way. It takes time. Trust me, it takes time, but at the end of the day, it will be worth it. Number 5, you can't do everything. Take it one at a time. Like I said, give yourself a year for something to succeed. Within a year, you would have known if it's successful or not. You need to give yourself that time. And that brings me to number 6, procrastination. A lot of people procrastinate. Like, it's normal. It's normal to not have that drive or don't feel like it for that day. But the more you procrastinate, the more you lose focus, the more your consistency drops, the more it affects your productivity. And before you know it, you abandon that one and move on to another thing. So do not procrastinate. And now that brings me to number 7. Do not expect too much. You know, it's so easy to expect a lot of things. Like, I'll always use the YouTube as an example. Like getting on YouTube, you see a lot of creators, they are already, you know, making big things, doing big things, and they keep posting how much they're making. They're making $5,000, they're making $50,000 a month, and then you get on and then you want to make that $50,000. Everything takes time. Don't expect too much. Yes, they are making $50,000, but you can condition yourself that, okay, fine, if I see $200, I'll manage. Chances are that you will make the $50,000. It might not happen instantly, but it's going to happen over time. But when you have that at the back of your mind that, once I start this now, I'm going to make $50,000, it has a way of demoralizing you when the $50,000 doesn't come. When you start receiving $200, when you start receiving $50. Now, let me shock you. The people that are receiving $50,000 today once received $100, okay? They once earned $100. So in any venture you want to go into, just don't expect too much. Don't expect too much. Expectation has a way of hurting our productivity. So don't expect too much. Make sure you cap everything at the barest minimum. Leave it there. It's going to take some time for you to up. When it will happen, you'll be shocked because you were not even expecting it. Like, you can wake up one day and see $10,000 in your account and you'll be like, what? That is how it works. And that brings us to the last but not the least, number 8, get a coach or a mentor. In Nigeria, we say, follow who know road. It simply means follow someone that knows the road, someone that has been there, done that. You cut your journey by half because it will eliminate a lot of trial and errors. It will eliminate a lot of things, a lot of failures you can encounter that will elongate your results. So follow someone, let someone coach you, let someone mentor you. Please, for what it's worth, it doesn't even have to be me. You need a mentor. You can't go through the whole process by yourself. You need somebody that not necessarily have to, you know, cross all the T's and dot all the I's for you, but someone you can always run to, someone that will always give you a pat at the back and tell you that you're on the right track. Because sometimes it's easy for us to feel like, oh, we've lost track. It's easy for us to feel like, oh, it's as if this thing is not working. But it takes someone that has been there before to know that, oh, I've encountered this before. You are actually on the right track. Do it this way, do it this way. So you find it easier to navigate. So please, whatever you do, try as much as possible to get a mentor. And if I have inspired you in this video, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you. See you in the next one.